What is up guys, DSTK here. When it comes to screen protector for iPad, users are always confused between matte and clear screen protector. But in this video, I will make it crystal clear till its installation. Previously, I was using tempered glass which reflects a lot, and today I have a matte screen protector to apply on my iPad. I will discuss clarity, pros and cons, every aspect you should know about. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's the matte screen protector that I ordered from the Amazon. Let's unbox it. Link is already down in the description. You can buy one for yourself directly. I was using tempered glass of the same brand only, which is of ESR. This is not a sponsored video at all, but I like most about its premium quality and the price at which ESR offers, which is between 1200 to 1500 Indian rupees. आप में से कुछ लोगों को price little bit ज़्यादा लग सकती है, but I also tried the cheaper one, but they all are just waste of money in both tempered glass and in matte. So I highly suggest you to go at least for ESR. Okay, box के अंदर क्या है? Yeah, this is a whole matte screen protector kit for iPad. It comes with two matte film. This is not a glass. Two cleaning kit, of course, with a quick guide about how to apply. Don't worry, I will teach you how to apply it correctly without any air bubbles. This is an alignment tool to align screen protector. Basically, सही से लगाने के लिए टेढ़ा मेढ़ा ना हो जाए. Also have this film pasting tool, little cheap, but yeah, we can manage. So I have this ESR tempered glass on my iPad. Let's first remove it. Trying to remove it without breaking it, finger crossed. Rip. It breaks off. Now you must have to subscribe this channel and also turn on the bell icon. You should always conscious while removing a glass. It might hurt you like a breakup. Just joking. Breaks off one more time, and now it is easy to remove. So in the first step, open the cleaning kit and use alcohol wipes to clean each and every smudges from the screen. Then use the microfiber cloth to make it clear chamchamati screen. Once you're done with it, check by turning on flashlight or something. Here I have my Nokia Ultimate Bad Boy to check whether any particle is left on the screen or not. If you can see few of them, then must remove it with the help of dust remover sticker. Once everything is cleared from the screen, in second step, apply the screen protector. If your screen protector have any protective blue film, then remove it first because this thing cannot let you see small air bubbles at the time of applying. If it is transparent, then it's alright. Align the screen protector with the help of alignment tool and make it in the center. In the third step, if by any chance any particle falls off from the screen protector, then clean it before applying, क्योंकि भाई फिर ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि कोई particle रह गया, else it will ruin your experience. If everything is done perfectly, then remove a film from the back side of your screen protector and start applying it from top side of your iPad. And make sure to align it in the center with the help of alignment tool. Once you're done with the top part, you can either remove alignment tool or apply rest of the screen protector using it. If you find any bubbles in between, then peel off the screen protector and reapply it without any hesitation. Once you are done with it, then remove alignment tool and finally you applied screen protector without any air bubbles or particles successfully. It is little difficult by applying and filming at the same time, but look at the final result. Let me bring my bad boy. So you can see there is no particle or any air bubble left under the screen protector.
This is a work of art
and need a like from your side, so smash that like button hard. Alright, the feel is completely like a paper and it is so smooth, buttery, and the sound it makes while rubbing is so much identical like we normally hear by doing same thing on any paper. The clarity you can check which is 1% below the tempered glass, but I will give 10 out of 10 because normally we find matte screen protector reduces the screen clarity a bit, whereas the tempered glass normally don't limit any clarity if it is of the good quality. The writing experience is super duper awesome. Same feel like you are writing something on any paper. Totally fabulous. Here I am streaming one of our normal video in 10-bit HDR 4K 60 FPS so that you can have a better idea of clarity before buying it. The clarity and the quality is same as such. There is no problem of pixel scattering at all. And lastly, here's some pros and cons of both tempered glass and the matte screen protector for iPad, and I think you should know about. You can pause this video to check it out. So hopefully you find this video helpful and clear between matte versus tempered glass. If not, then leave a comment, and thank you for stopping by till the end, and I will catch you in the next video.